catching me. You remember that. You remember that all day. You killed me. You remember that. You killed me. Because like you just proved what the Peckerwoods say. We're just beasts. Willing to do anything. Kill each other. No mind. No feeling. Shut up, nigga. Leastwise, I ain't gonna die like you gonna die. Like a slave. I ain't giving no lifetime of misery and what this Peckerwood. I'd rather die than be a slave. You Peckerwood. That's right. You Peckerwood was oppressed in your own land. We was free. And you brought us here. In chains. But now we're here. And you just better know. This is just as much our land as it is yours. And after you hang me, kiss my ass.